Are you new to Fiverr and struggling to get your first order? Well, worry no more. In this video, I will share with you 6 proven tips that will help you unlock your first gig on Fiverr and start receiving lightning-fast orders within just 24 hours. So let's get started. Tip number 1, optimize your gig title and description. Make sure to include relevant keywords that potential buyers would search for. This will help your gig appear higher in search results and attract more attention. Tip number 2, offer a compelling gig package. Provide different pricing options with clear descriptions of what each package includes. This gives buyers flexibility and encourages them to choose your gig. Tip number 3, create an eye-catching gig image or video. Visuals are key to capturing buyers' attention. Ensure your image or video stands out and showcases your skills and expertise. Tip number 4, promote your gig on social media. Share it on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Reach out to relevant groups and communities to get the word out about your services. Tip number 5, leverage Fiverr's buyer request section. Check it regularly for new requests and submit compelling offers. This allows you to actively engage with potential buyers and increase your chances of landing your first order. Tip number 6, provide excellent customer service. Respond to messages promptly and be professional and friendly. Deliver high-quality work on time and exceed your buyers' expectations. This will result in positive reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations. By following these 6 tips, you'll be on your way to unlocking your first gig on Fiverr and receiving lightning-fast orders within just 24 hours. Remember, success on Fiverr requires dedication and perseverance, so stay motivated and keep improving your skills. Thank you for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We appreciate your support and wish you the best of luck on your Fiverr journey.